Hey guys, so today we're here in my garage. We're here in my garage. We all the work is installed here in my garage. So we already installed the ceiling fan, so it's working. So I'm gonna start the demonstration of the garage. Okay, so here's the fan right now. It's a ceiling fan's birthday today. It is July 17th of 2026. So it's her birthday. So if you don't know why the National Ceiling Fan Day is, today we will celebrate the fans, how great they are. I'm doing the ceiling fans so we can go to the house too. So we will do the ceiling fans in my house. So let's go in my house. Let's go back inside of my house. And this is my dining room. There's my mom here. There's my mom's here. My mom is here making my pear. Hello there, guys. This is my speaker. This is my tablet. New light bulbs. It's called an exhaust fan. That is bent. The top piece there. Puppy! Puppy! Oh no, what are you doing? He acts like a nut, so. Yo, what are you doing in there? Oh guys, he acts like a Dappy likes a nut, so. Alright, so this is my new garage. This is my new kulungan also. My new dog cage and the garage fan. So that's it. So stay tuned for the guest house fans.